Assalamu alaikum to all guys. I hope you're doing good and Alhamdulillah I am also fit as fiddle. Today we are speaking about and talking about the speak English fluently in 2024. Like by these five magical tasks. Okay, if you follow these five steps, you will be the good. If you're watching this video, yes, this video is for you and this is not late. You have to start from today. Okay, so I'm going to declare a five magical tasks that you have to follow on daily basis. Okay guys, so let's start. So our first point is speak daily. Okay, not just thinking, actually speaking. Okay, actually speaking is boost your confidence more and more on daily basis. I said speak daily, so you need to speak daily 1 or 3 hours with anybody. Now your confidence will be boost. Of course you can actually uh, talk with someone in online or offline, like face to face. Okay, it make your confidence most boost up. Talk with someone instead of yourself. Okay, front of a mirror or like someone like your siblings, your friend, your colleague. You need to talk. Okay, first you have to decrease your hesitations and increase your confidence to talk with someone. Next, it better would be talk to someone like as I said, your colleague, your friends, your sister, siblings, whatever, your mother, your teacher, etc. You can speak offline or online, face to face. And one plus point I have for you, if you are not comfort with talking someone, you need to talk to yourself, like share some points like a daily routine to yourself, what the actually thing you want to do, what the actually things you want to you have to do in a day and you have to done in a day, so you recall all time, you recall yourself. Okay, then it's like talk in mirror, like talk in front of you. And like if you are thinking in English, that's also pretty good, but decrease your hesitation. The main point is decrease your hesitation. Do not worry about the people. Don't feel fear about the what you are saying in front of the people and they laugh on you. No, this is not a point. Okay, you need to talk. Okay, you need to cover up all the points. And these there are a many multi cocktail ideas you have in your mind to talk front of you, the talk in a mirror, front of the mirror, in your mind, like every single point you can discuss how there are many tabs of multi tabs of points in a day you sing in around. Okay, so you need to talk on that every single topic, like any type of essay or any type of situation you faced in your life before. So speaking is more important than actually other task. Okay, everything else comes later, but first you need to speak it. If you are hesitate, I told you before, you need to practice a lot to talk with yourself. Okay, with your anybody, you need comfort with them. Okay, come to the next point. The second task is five new word every day, the vocabulary task. Okay, you need to search out vocabulary on daily basis, make a notes, make your journals. Okay, and then memorize it on daily basis and make a sentence, a little bit sentence to on the particular verse, and then recall to yourself. Okay, So use in your daily sentence like that. Write down in your journals, write down your diaries, write down your any iPad or on tablet or your mobile. You will be the fluent master's English speaker if you gain and if you make a list of the 5 magical tasks. Now come to the discuss about third point. The third point is reading one page on daily basis. Yes guys, the reader, I already told about that. The reader is a leader, so need to read out one page or two page at least on daily basis. It is also helps to your thinking. The thinking power will be increased. The way you think about any kind of thing, okay, the way you approach your problems, your thoughts. I know most of the students and people said reading is more difficult for um, for us on daily basis, but according to me the reading is a master point in this. In my opinion, the reading is more important than all. Like that, if you are good reader, you recognize all types of words, your vocabulary. If there is a word you don't know about the meaning in that, you need to search it out on Google and whatever the dictionary you have. You need to you approach the meaning of the verse, then you vocalize to yourself, make a sentence on that, then you speaking out on all day, okay, speaking on that. And you need to fix this sentence in your daily life like any type of work or like that, okay. So I personally give you advice, you need to read it out one or two page at least in a day, so it will be sub vocalized a lot. Okay, next point is we have, I will suggest some types of book to you. And I personally reading, I personally read it out that books, and I really appreciated that books, that they have a lot of vocabulary, lot of good stories, and I personally make my sense a lot. Actually, I approach my problem. So the task is the four tasks we have. Write 100 words every day. Yes, guys, this is not a big deal to write 100 words on daily basis. Okay, so the task is to write 100 words every day. The 100 words is nothing. It is a very simple task. It is barely a page, only barely a page, only a one page on television will make up 100 words. Okay, so 100 words every day. It could be about you, about your daily life, about any type of essay, about any personality. Like if you talk about makeup artist, cooking, or any type of celebrity, your favorite person, your father, mother, etc. So it could be something to do with your family member, your colleague, and on your daily basis what happened in your daily basis life, what happening nowadays. And you need to make a journal, you need to make a diary like that. It's okay, but just focused 100 words on daily. And it could be something like that has been going on your life, like right now, on your progress, on your coming future, like what you want to be in the future, okay, and what is happening in this time, okay. So your career goals, I already talk about your career goals, like your life goals, what you want to be, okay. Actually this is the practice, this is the practice. You need to sincere yourself first on daily basis, like proactive. The consistency is more important than all, okay. The consistency makes you proactive. So we have a last fifth point, like one act of courage daily. What do you mean by courage? You have to show up yourself. Like there is many instances in a day when you can speak in English, like any kind of stance, okay? But you stop yourself from doing that. You stop yourself from showing courage. You take a step back instead of owning or speaking in front of the people. You step back. So you give up in your fear. You give up on that time just because of your fear. And you give into your own lack of courage. Like that, you think that you are not capable for talking or speaking. That's why you give up. So the question is that how about you do one such act of courage every day? So the answer is that you need to speak it out. You can speak somebody in English, like it could be your friend, your colleague, your husband, your wife, your siblings, your mother, father, your teacher, etc. Anybody, okay? Instead of saying something in Urdu, you need to talk in English. It's more necessary nowadays because every single thing depends on the English. You need to speaking out, guys. Instead of saying any type of language like your native language, why don't you speak in English? Why don't you convert in English? You need to speaking out. And first, I have already told you about, you need to speaking out first, then write, then make a vocabulary, then reading out one page on daily basis, then courage. See, you need to push yourself, motivate yourself. The one person, the most effective that you are, the only you are, you courage yourself. You need to satisfy yourself, like motivate yourself. Nobody gives you motivation. You are the owner of yourself. You need to speak, need to come out, okay? And if you speak more and more, that's how you start accepting English as your habit. The habit, you max your habit, okay? English is just like a language. But and guys, I really appreciate if you could write down your progress in a comment section, the what progress you are and what the progress you have right now, how your practice is going on, and how much face your challenges, and how to speak in the front of people, what are the challenges you have faced, and how people are noticing in you like noticing new things, like new changing, okay? So speaking out. So guys, I see you in a next video. See you again. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and you need to follow these 5 points.